Good morning. It's Travis from Hero Hair. Good morning, Aaron.
Good morning.
We just thought we'd start the Sunday with a little magic trick we like to call, I just got my winter haircut. Now, this is not my winter haircut. This is my celebration haircut. We're going to Celebration. You can guess the character. He's old and curmudgeon-y, flies a really cool spaceship, and I can't say his name because of legal copyright. But I can reveal my winter haircut and make it a magic trick. So, presto, you're welcome. Okay, it's funny you should ask what's going on this morning. I'm working on the behind the scenes page of the website. I thought that would be good morning. I thought that would be a really good way of introducing the page. To talk about what's going on this morning.
I haven't had my coffee yet.
She hasn't had her coffee
Here I am on camera.
That's okay, because I included slices of life in the studio as part of the entertainment value of this page. Sorry. Yeah.
Wait, really?
Yeah. So, actually, it's a good idea to discuss what's going on this morning. Okay. So, what time is it? It's 7:35 in the studio on Sunday.
Yeah.
We usually get up earlier than this, so we're a little behind the eight ball.
I know.
So, what are we doing today, Boo? What are you doing today?
I'm still kind of figuring that out with my coffee.
Okay.
But I'm gonna I'm gonna pad out a bunch of head blocks.
You're going to pad out, so you're going to be padding out head blocks today. And that's a head block there. Why do I recognize that? Whose is that?
That's Justin. I'm gonna take it off.
That's
his wig is
that's
done.
the God of Thunder hairline.
Yeah, you should actually take a picture of that.
I will, because we'll need it for the other ones that we're building.
Yeah.
And then we've got Doctor of Metaphysical back there in progress.
Oh, yeah.
We've got
Modified
Guardian. She needs her reset in style, and a bunch of other wigs that are going out soon. Hairline work for a TV series wig. So there's a lot going on, as always. So today we're gonna pad out some blocks. I'd like to pad out.
I can tell you exactly who we're padding out.
Who are we padding out today?
Today we're gonna pad out the blocks of the heads of. Stand by.
Something.
Dark side.
Maybe we'll get a little gaming in today, you and me.
Can we buy Spider-Man?
You want to get Spider-Man today?
Yeah.
Okay.
So pad out blocks to be done. Dorothy.
Oh, you mean Kansas Gale? We're padding out Kansas Gale today?
Tiny head back
Her
there.
tiny head back there. Do we have the head wrap from
Yeah,
Dan?
it's in there.
Oh, okay, yes, of course we do.
A secret one
Tornado Girl from Kansas.
A secret one I can't talk about.
Okay.
Lisa's Sunflower Companion.
We're going to be changing the title on that.
Okay.
It's going to be the Doctor's Companion.
Well, there's 13 of them, so you have to pick, because there's more than 13 companions.
Well, I can just do season XYZ for that. I'd like to change the title on that.
We're going to do Benjamin and Chrissy.
Benjamin and Chrissy.
Benjamin is a god of thunder.
Oh, Benjamin and
mischief,
his, yeah, and his.
And Chrissy is doing.
She's doing
the cupcake dress.
the cupcake dress. Okay, fantastic. So we're
Um,
padding out those blocks as well.
Yeah, and also the Awesome Con winners.
Our new Awesome Con winners. Oh, good. Yeah, because we sponsor Awesome Con's cosplay competition every year.
And you have beautiful light today to pick out hair colors.
Hair colors.
And start looking at. We have to start looking at the clown who floats.
The clown who floats, getting his
BK's.
the Disney one,
thing.
Disney character.
We haven't named yet.
Yeah.
We've already picked out Bill's hair, but we need to start looking at color. Reference.
Okay.
Same with Carolyn.
Yeah. For
Sunflower Companion.
So Bill and Carolyn's new wigs, and they're the ones, by the way, if you've seen the video that's going around, the viral video right now, that we shot at our booth of the floating cloak and the Doctor of the Metaphysical cosplays they did. The BBC actually just showed it to Benedict Cumberbatch. That was our video that we shot of them, and we're really proud of them, and that it's gone so big. And they're now doing the Bio Exorcist and the Strange and Unusual Bride wedding variants. So that we're going to be choosing colors for those. Continue. What else?
I'm also padding out the, what are we calling the pilot?
Oh, the Hot Shot pilot.
Hot Shot pilot.
From episode 7, I believe we're doing.
And then also colors for the Anger Striped Boss.
The Anger Striped Boss from the
movie about warring things in other universes and planets with stars in it.
Faraway Galaxy, and it's a prequel, which actually got critical and viewer accolades. I love the movie. I've seen it 4 times. I think we've seen it 4 times, and it should have gotten. It was not a failure.
And we're also gonna pick colors for the AwesomeCon winners. So maybe
Yes.
we should watch that movie.
The AwesomeCon winners movie.
Live
So,
action.
what's the movie? Oh, yeah, can't say it. So we sponsor AwesomeCon and their competition. We're there. I think this is our 4th year, 5th year. So we have a booth there, and then we also give away 2 grand prize. Well, we give away a grand prize wig every year, which is suddenly and conveniently turned into group cosplays, and now we're giving 2. Which we're kind of stuck into, but we like them, so we're going to do it. We like the folks over at Left Field Media, John and Mara. So we have 2 winners. We're doing 2 brand new cosplays, and the winners of the previous year come out and actually present the wigs with us on stage during the intermission of the new contest every year. And this is in Washington, D.C. So if you haven't checked out AwesomeCon, check it out. It's really, really cool.
And then hairline work for.
This is all today? This is all today.
I just need you to do that hairline.
Oh, just for the TV
and
series?
I would like you. Well, I was gonna have you do Heather's, but I want to refresh her Warrior of the Forest.
Yeah,
first.
for sure. Needs it.
And then once that's off the block, then we need to get into the boss.
Okay. All right. So that's a really full day. All right. Very
well, that's
good.
like the weekends. The today
Oh,
and
okay.
tomorrow.
Today and tomorrow.
Over today and tomorrow.
Oh,
you can pick
okay.
some color today.
Yeah, we've got beautiful light to do it.
And I'm also gonna build a bunch of foundations after I pad
Because
blocks.
I only choose, and we only choose color and natural daylight. And you can see we've actually got some. Tomorrow it's supposed to storm. So.
It is tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, then yeah, we should pick out as much color.
I'll do the color work today.
Because
and
for Heather's, I want to use, I mean, we actually might have a lot of it here. Those blondes from our farmer boy.
The Galactic Farm
I'm
Boy,
gonna use
episode 4.
Human for Heather's actually.
Yeah, for this one, it needs it.
Okay.
Okay. All right, cool. So that's on the agenda today. Maybe gonna buy Spider-Man.
We're definitely gonna buy Spider-Man. Kidding?
Maybe gonna play some Spider-Man for the first time tonight. Yeah. I really want to get Red Dead Redemption.
Day off.
It's not.
What?
It's not a day off.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Well,
Well, it's
I
day
mean,
off for you for set, but we're still
it's
working.
like we're just hanging out and stuff.
Okay,
We're
so
gonna
just put music on and just get into the
put
jam.
movies on and play video games and go to the gym once.
Do we have any wigs out with our ventilators right now, or do we have everything in house?
No, I'd like to get something to give to
Yolan's 1 and 2.
Yeah.
All right.
Because she's coming by with something that we made for a TV show I'm working on.
Oh, okay, good. So she has something for that. All right, very good. Okay, cool. So that is that's an appropriate first entry, actually. Yes, you have something else to add?
Yeah, I have to also make a mustache for the movie I'm working on right now, and pad out the facial wrap I took yesterday.
Of our new client.
Yep.
Yeah.
And,
Okay.
Oh, and you need to
Who was in the
invoice
studio?
That, right?
I need to do what?
An invoice.
I need to send her invoice. Yeah. It's a crossplay, which is really cool. She's doing.
So good.
She's
She
so
and her
good.
cousin are such
What's
amazing
what's her handle so we can tell them to go watch her?
Artist. Hold on, let me find it.
Oh, Mystic Arts Cosplay.
Mystic Arts.
Go follow Mystic Arts Cosplay, and her cousin too.
Her cousin is. Let me see. If
They
I
both
can
came to the
find-
studio yesterday for their consultation, and
Cosplay Graham, Graham,
Cosplay Graham, Graham.
Ham.
Go follow both these cosplayers. They're amazing. They do a lot of crossplays, and we're going to be building facial hair for Mystic Arts Cosplay for the rogue heroine's father, the farming edition, when they come and locate him to talk him back into coming back to the evil outfit that's building the very large space station. That's the best way I can say it. So he's got a really cool beard she's going to be wearing. All right, so that's a really good opener to this page, actually.
Good.
So thank you. You know, other stuff is, as it says in the text, it's not going to be in any kind of planned date. You know, it'll be stuff from years ago, stuff recently, just to keep the page interesting. Thanks for watching, everybody. It's a nice 9-minute intro to the page, and you know, it'll get more involved from here. Have a great day. Say have a great day, Aaron.
Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye, guys.